A hemispherical bowl made of brass has an inner diameter of 10.5 centimeter. Find the cost of tin plating it on the inside at a rate 16 rupees per 100 centimeter square. Understand this. They have given us a bowl. They are asking us to tin plate it. You have seen plating of gold. You have seen ornaments which are being plated with gold so that it looks nice and good. Here they are asking us to tin plate a bowl. Now for plating 100 centimeter square, the cost is rupees 16. Now they have given a hemispherical bowl which has a diameter 10.5 centimeter. Now they are asking what will be the total cost for tin plating it inside. So for this, first of all, I need to calculate the surface area or the curved surface area of the hemisphere or the bowl. Then whatever area I get, I multiply this by the cost. So first of all, I need to calculate the cost of 1 centimeter square of tin plating. So look how I write it for you. So diameter given is 10.5 centimeter. So you can easily get the radius. Radius is 10.5 by 2. Going ahead, from here you can easily calculate the curved surface area. As you know, 4 pi r square. You know the value of r. You know the value of pi. You can use 22 by 7 for simplicity. All the values are known to you. Now they are saying, they have given us the data 100 centimeter square cost rupees 16. Now I find by unitary method 1 centimeter square cost rupees 16 by 100. So if the cost of 1 centimeter square is 16 by 100, what is the total cost of the entire hemisphere? That is nothing but the curved surface area. The total cost is going to be curved surface area Cbse, which is 4 pi r square into 16 by 100. That is going to be the total cost in. So look at the calculation out here as I highlight for you. The curved surface area is 2 pi r square, as you can see. Okay, just for a correction, since it is the curved surface area, the formula is 2 pi r square. Okay, so going forward, so curved surface area is 2 pi r square. Now substituting all the values over here, the area that is obtained is 173.25 centimeter square. Now as you see here, already I have shown you how to find the cost of 1 centimeter square. From here you can easily find cost per 1 centimeter square is 16 by 100. As you saw in the previous case, what I wrote, curved surface area into 16 by 100. If you observe, you have 16 by 100 the area. Which area? The curved surface area of the hemisphere. This is the total cost for tin plating the given bowl.